In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use Fred Meyer Fuel Points. Watch until the end to learn all the details and more. Here's how Fred Meyer's Fuel Points system works. You can use your fuel points at a Kroger family of stores fuel center or any participating Shell station. To find a center near you, visit fredmeyer.com. The link is in the description. When you arrive at the pump, start by confirming that you are a Kroger customer. Scan your Kroger card and enter your PIN. You will be prompted with options for redeeming your fuel points. Select the month whose rewards you want to use, as each month has its own set of earn points. Enter the amount you're getting off per gallon and proceed to pump the gas. You can redeem up to 1,000 fuel points to get $1 off every gallon. Remember, fuel points expire on the last day of the month, following the month in which they were earned, and do not carry over between months. And that's it. Using Fred Meyer Fuel Points is that simple. Thanks for watching, and until next time.